Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to hide songs on Spotify. Now, if you're on Spotify mobile, you can actually hide songs. As you can see, Spotify lets you hide any song that appears on an album or in a public or Spotify made playlist. In other words, you can't hide tracks that are in one of your own playlists. In addition, you can only use the hide feature on tracks via the Spotify mobile app. There is no way to do it from your computer, desktop, or browser with a lone exception. So just make sure to know that before hiding. Now, the first thing you obviously go to the Spotify app, you open a playlist or album that has a song that you want to hide. Then in the track list for the playlist or album, tap the three dots to the right on the song you want to hide, right? And then in the menu, you can tap hide song. This is how it will look like right here. Then you can click hide song and you will basically hide the song. Now, that's pretty much how to hide the song on Spotify mobile. Again, this just works on your mobile version, so make sure to know that. Now, if you want to know more about Spotify and all the features on Spotify, we're posting 2 to 5 videos every single day. So if you want to check it out, check out our channel and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching.